Glory to God. Lord, I thank you.
Shallow on the other side, going straight across. It's real shallow here.
Hey, everybody. Once again, Patrick done got me back here again.
Don't you blame that on me, Clyde.
Patrick done got me in the wilderness. You should see what we go through.
Too old.
Then we got roll with us. Lord have mercy. We got roll with us. There you go back there.
Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Alright guys, better late than never. Got on my first one. First one. Let's do it short. Alright guys, out here fishing this place again where I got on the big ones at, but sometimes you got to catch the little ones to get them out of the way to get the big ones. But got the first one in the boat, guys. Hey, skunk is out of here. Got on the first one this morning. Let's get her back in the water safe. Yeah. Ugh. Huh? 5.5. Yeah. All right, you guys. Just got on the second one. You know, so I'm gonna weigh it. Because these bass are, it's kind of hard to predict how much they weigh because they got so much girth on them. Good gracious, 3.8. Good gracious, I just grabbed at 2 or 3 pounds. 3 pounds, 8 ounces. Oh my goodness! Big girl! Thank you, sir. But guess what? When you keep grinding, it's well worth it. Y'all check this girl out. Oh my goodness. But let's see what this girl weighs. .55. Let's get her back in the water, guys. she go. Oh my goodness. Y'all check out this girl. Oh my goodness. But guess what? When you keep grinding, it's well worth it. Y'all check this girl out. Oh my goodness. All right. Let's get this little boy back in the water. Thank you, buddy. She is. Had to hurry up and get her back in the water. Let's see. As long as you keep her in that water, she'll be good. God, look at the girth on that thing, man. My goodness. I'm gonna let you do that. Well, just swing around on over here. I can do it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna cut it on.
On.
Seven something.
6:11. Almost 7.
Man, if you guys ain't out fishing this time of the year, you missing out. Today is a good day, you guys. I'm telling you. Let's get her back in the water so we can. All right, big girl, it's time for you to go home. All right, guys, just got on a huge bowfin.
Oh, now he's going. Now he's going.
I don't even want you. I don't even want your huge butt in the boat with me. I ain't doing that no more.
Oh my God.
All right, goodbye, buddy.